Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing Postal Brain Damaged, which released on the 9th of June, was developed by Hyperstrange and part of the Postal franchise, where they've taken a new unique spin on it and have created a pretty unique boomer shooter. So what I'm going to do today, guys, I'm going to show you the second level. We've just completed the suburban area and now we have been trapped and in a rather dungy prison. So we're going to break free, and try not to blow ourselves up like we just nearly did there. And press forward.
Well, this can't be good for me.
Not an achievement there.
It really is.
Some very unique enemies, from old guys with shotguns to those pretty weird vending, whatever they are, monsters there with spines and whatnot shooting at you. But we've got our trusty double-barreled shotgun, which has got a pretty cool grappling hook on it as well.
Ripped like an altar boy on First Communion.
Really shred the opposition. Cool little touches. It's got Coke and Pepsi on each barrel.
I am the way.
That's some nice cheesy one-liners to go over as well. We played Blood West. That was a more sort of hardcore survival-based Western shooter that they did, and it shares a lot of the similar mechanics in terms of gunplay and characters. But all in all, a lot of fun, and it's got some really quirky
And now electric
guns
boogie.
and weapons. So electric brain that fries things, kind of is a bit like one of the guns from Unreal Tournament. Where you can do a lightning spark and create an orb of it. Ammo is pretty short supply though.
Suddenly I have a hankering for some goulash. I did you.
This is not the greatest one-liners, but kind of like a less witty, more socially awkward doo-doo than unique system there of urinating on objects to get them to activate, and you get a lot of that, such as breaking switches and blowing things up. If you've played any of the Postal games, you know that it's very common to see a bit of urination here and there. By the way, even when you kill them, the hands are still frailing. It's pretty messed up, some of the characters. That a good headshot doesn't do. Looks that pretty brutal with the prisoners in the place. So when you unlock new codex things, press tab and it shows you in here everything from bestiary to people. Shot plenty of them in the first one. Got a nice quirky section of guns. We're only in the early phases, we've just got the 3 guns, but they've all got some pretty good characteristics. Like this pistol alternate fire it's like a 3 shot. You've seen the shotgun grapple.
Ow. Ow. Jeez. Blood-drenched execution.
There's nothing more satisfying than popping a headshot in this game and watching them pop.
Ouch. Still stings.
So really in a jiffy, use your flaming urine hot sauce combo. Hopefully you can clip right through dead enemies. The shotgun packs such a punch it blows them in half. For a span of speed running, they've added like a leaderboard to this as well, so quickest completions to make a name for yourself in game as well as in the community.
Fear the pink mist.
We need to find where these switches are so we can get through the next gate. I do love this shotgun. Its grapple thing's nice and unique. Can be a little bit fast though when you're trying to latch onto something, so just make sure you time it accordingly. That it doesn't have the greatest ranges. Game does periodically auto-save as well, so especially on hard difficulties, can make use of a quick save.
Jeez.
Bagged ourselves a blue key. Let's get the next one. plenty of harmless NPCs that you can kill if you wish, but you don't have to. It's tempting, but I'm going to save ammo. But we do have a nice chainsaw spade thingy that we can be feeling sadistic. Right, now that we've got both keys, we should be able to get that gun. It's a really creepy mess of things stuck in a cage there. That's a lot, Mr. Bloodborne.
Time to polish them nails.
So there you go, like a Quakefall nail gun, but with a time bomb that stops time on the enemies as well. So probably great for something that's very powerful. Of course, getting a new gun is a natural precursor to having 20 or so enemies try and kill you.
Looks like you're just fucking wrong. Booyah, bitches. See what you made me do? Gibs.
Really cool little feature that part of the way that it literally, you can go around, fire a few shots in the enemy in the bubble, and then make a hasty retreat.
Straight to heaven. I like them well done. Smoke it. Ow. Ow. That didn't turn out so... Ow.
Lead him into the barrel.
Doc, I keep seeing mutilated corpses. Blood. Ow. Burn, baby, burn.
Whoever thought that flaming urine would save the day. Now that we've killed absolutely everything, we can certainly beats Quake switches, doesn't it? So I'll be trembling if that too. Do not click. just the incentive that we needed. The classic prison shower. What could possibly go wrong? Well, shoot them from afar. Yeah, there we go. Didn't want to miss our chance on another poster.
Catch me if you can. Damn, I'm handsome.
Body was in the way of the switch then. There we go then. So, really fun little game this. It's got a ton of random different levels. Lots of crazy enemies, lots of crazy monsters, and it's just a ton of fun to be had. You know, it's got decent graphics. The music's pretty low key, but fits in nicely, and we've got some nice, quirky one-liners. So, overall, thoroughly recommend picking this one up. I'll give you guys a quick glimpse of the third level T-Day. Every area is pretty unique so far in terms of gameplay levels. So,
I'll start the war for my TV from here.
all in all, got a rather sketchy looking desert outskirts level with a ton of enemies and new areas to explore. So if you're into witty humour and, you know, a good solid first person shooter, then this is definitely one for you. But anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please
Precious.
like and subscribe for future videos. Just as I was about to go, had to grab the akimbo.
Double the pleasure. Getting that sleep achievement there, that will be exciting. So, blood red rain, blood red rain.
there you go. Postal brain damaged. Pure mayhem. Pick it up, guys. Peace.